everyone, welcome back to another exciting trading session. This bot takes the guesswork out of trading. It analyzes real-time market data, identifies profitable opportunities, and helps me trade with confidence. If you've ever struggled with trading or felt overwhelmed, this video is for you. Let's dive right into today's session and see how the bot performs. I've just entered my first trade using the bot's signal. Let me explain how this works. The bot scans the market in real time, detecting trends and patterns that are impossible to spot manually. It gives me signals with high confidence, helping me make informed decisions instead of trading blindly. One of the best things about this bot is that it removes emotions from trading. No stress, no hesitation, just clear, actionable signals that deliver results. Show live updates of your trades while narrating what's happening. 2. Building momentum 3 o'clock. Following the signals exactly as they come. The key here is to stay disciplined and trust the process. Whether the market is moving up or down, the bot identifies opportunities to profit. That's the power of AI. It's fast, accurate, and reliable. It saves me time and ensures I don't miss out on great trades. I always say, let the technology do the heavy lifting while you enjoy the results. 3. Consistency is everything in trading. With tools like this AI bot, I can focus on scaling my results step by step without worrying about human error. If you're someone who's tired of losing trades, guessing market moves, or feeling stuck, this is the solution you need. The bot gives you confidence, accuracy, and results. For today's session, once again, the AI bot has proven its accuracy and reliability, helping me trade smarter and achieve consistent results. If you want to take your trading to the next level and start seeing real success, check out the link in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay consistent, stay focused, and happy trading. Bye bye.